rushing around the chair, zooming fast from here to there. Tom said, Jerry, stop right now. Jerry laughed, catch me, oh wow. Up the table, down the hall, past the clock upon the wall. Crash went plates, bang went the pan. Jerry hid inside a can. Tom looked left and then looked right. Jerry giggled out of sight. Sometimes Tom would make a plan, sneaky, tricky as he can. But Jerry's clever, small and quick, always ready with a trick. Though they chase and shout and run, they still have lots and lots of fun. At the end of every day, they rest before another play. Tom and Jerry, what a pair! Fun and laughter everywhere. A cat, a mouse, a silly race, smiles and joy in every chase.